This week's feast.
Teddy's Brulee from Bob's Burgers. Don't do that at home. What's up, feasters? How's it going? This is a very simple feast we're making today, and we're gonna show you just, well, basically how to do it.
Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory, y'all.
Well, when Bob and Linda are gone, Teddy is there, and he is, as you know, a handyman, so he uses handy tools to entertain the kids.
This was one of my favorite chocolate bars growing up. My favorite candy bar of all time, though, still to this day, Hershey's Cookies and Cream.
Oh my gosh, it's so good, the crunch.
Oh, that's my favorite of all time.
Hey, let us know what your favorite candy bar is in the comment section below.
All right, let's brulee it.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Kids, don't do this at home unless
Do
you
not
have
do this at home.
adult supervision.
Getting a little bit of that fizzle on top. It smells so good. Next up, pretzels. Crunch them up. Throw it all in there. And don't forget, this episode today, as always, dedicated to our lovely audience and patrons. We do something very special every single episode, guys. We shout out a lucky patron that gets to have their name emblazoned forever on a Feast of Fiction episode.
Whoa.
So you could be that person. Make sure you go ahead and check it out when you get a chance.
Who's that patron? It's Wolfman Jack!
If you guys think that we brought you so much value with high quality recipes such as this one over the years, you can give back to the show. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this, by the way. All right, the final and most important part of this whole equation are marshmallows. If you thought this couldn't get any unhealthier, do we have a surprise for you? Boom! Boom! Oh, trick shots?
Like this?
Literally none of them made it in. Hey, I think one made it in.
Yeah!
Y'all ready for this?
Ah!
It's the only one I need.
Woo!
Woo-hoo-hoo!
I rock. Now that we got these all on top, time for the final brulee.
Oh, yeah.
Cue the time lapse. All right.
Well, there you have it.
That was it. Pretty simple. Digging in. I want to make sure I get a little bit of everything.
I gotta
there.
get all of it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's a monster bite.
Chocolate. Oh my lord.
Yeah.
Cheers.
What's not to like?
What is not to like? Literally. Chocolate with pretzels. Already great. Love chocolate covered pretzels. Melted golden creme brulee marshmallow on top. I'm just thinking about all the months of training I had.
Going down the drain as you're chowing down on Teddy's Brulee. He was literally like waking up at 5 a.m. every morning in New Zealand, like eating his gains and his egg whites. And
I was eating a lot of egg whites. If you look at it at the right angle, this could be egg whites. Well, I got an idea. You ready?
what?
Let me make this.
Oh, you're trying to burn my mouth.
No, just blow it. Just cool it down. This is actually really fun. I could totally see this being at a party of like 10 to 20 people.
Yeah?
Everyone just get a spoon, dig, and go nuts. This is it. This is the feast that you guys signed up for. And, you know, Bob's Burgers, despite being a burger place, occasionally does some other very wild things with food.
This is a great dessert.
It's got a little bit of everything.
Yeah, so this is actually a pretty decent tasting feast, even though it doesn't look like much.
You know, if you really wanted to, you could make individual ones, right? Pretzel base,
Yeah.
chocolate on top, and
Yep.
a marshmallow, and then
You
you
would
sort
just
of
do it in
crush
like a muffin tin.
You could make these a cute little snack for sure. We did not. We leave that up to your imagination.
We wanted to do a big one.
Thank you all so much for watching. As always, a big thank you to our patrons of the show. You make it possible. Thank you for contributing back to us after the years that we have contributed to you. We very much appreciate it. And as always, a lucky patron gets called out every single episode. It could be you. So make sure you go sign up, patreon.com/feastoffiction.
Yep, and be sure to let us know in the comments below what you want to see us make next. And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.